Hello, this is registered respiratory therapist Khalil Hill with the Jock Fan ventilation cup. As you can see, Jock Fan has these cylinders emerging from the jock strap shape that actually have inside motor shafts and motors. These are the motor shafts. I'll show you the red one. And these are the motors. Today's experiment, we put a pile here. I've got to show you. We put a pile of flour from cooking culinary uses onto the table to see what would happen in the underwear when the bacteria is encountering the jock fan. If you hold your hand here when I turn it on, you will feel very cold on your hand. That is the cooling effect of jock fan, but there's another component. There's a blowing effect. So what we're doing, when I created this concave flex filament blade, this is a Smushable Fanblade. I created a blade which can cool and which can blow, which I've tested today. I put my hand underneath, my hand is cool. Same 3 inches from your testicular preservation, your testicular prophylaxis of overheating. Secondly, when I put the jock fan over the pile of flour, the flour disperses and the bacteria will have blowout and you will not have stagnant crotch accumulation of colonization of bacteria. So let's turn it on and just get a look here. I'm gonna blow it. Actually on the thin part, I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna spread it out a little so you can see how fast it blows when it's thin. I'm gonna hold the camera up so you can see this. Now let's take a look at it. As you can see, it's blowing it along. I'm gonna turn up the voltage high enough so you can see it perfectly. We just lost one of our, we're only on 3 volts. So that was 3 volts, not much. But look what happens when we get this on the full 12, when we get this on the full 12 volts. It's reconnected. And we're gonna be using coin cell batteries, but let's take a look now. I'm putting the voltage up and let's check it out, okay? You're on 3, now watch, carefully. Carefully watch. You're gonna loosen it out and then watch it disperse. We'll go over. See that? You get all this bacteria dispersing. It's all over the table, as you can see. And the thin sections, it disperses it immediately. I'm gonna go to a thin section here. Look at that clear out. Look at that clear. Here's a thin section. Look at that clear out. The heavy stuff, we only got 12 volts. Won't do much. Look at this clear out here. Look at it clear it out. Clear out the bacteria. Smoothing it out. Okay, so as you can see, Jock Fan is an interesting project and it cools and blows. And the research we're doing later today is the thermometer temperature change of the cup of water with the fan hovering over, cooling the water, and then proving my thesis that Jock Fan will cool. Hold on, I got a burnt wire.